A Mahila Samman Mahapanchayat. Yes, that is what Khap Panchayats of various states, farmers, and supporting wrestlers protesting at Jantar Mantar have announced. They have announced a call for a Mahila Samman Mahapanchayat near the Parliament building on Sunday. Security has been tightened at the Tikri border as Khap Panchayat leaders and farmers are set to join the protesting wrestlers' march towards the new Parliament House in Delhi. The women wrestlers protesting at Jantar Mantar demanding action against BJP MP and Wrestling Federation of India Chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh have called a Mahapanchayat outside the new Parliament building on the day Prime Minister Narendra Modi is inaugurating the new Parliament building. The protesters have been staging a sit-in at the Jantar Mantar about 3 kilometers from the Parliament complex since April 23rd. Security has been tightened in Lutyens, Delhi ahead of the inauguration of the new Parliament building. The wrestlers said that they will go ahead with their Mahila Mahapanchayat near the new building at any cost. Delhi police has put up barricades at Maulana Azad Road, ITO Road and other border areas. In an effort to prevent the farmers from Punjab and Haryana from entering the capital to set up the panchayat, police have cordoned off all the borders leading to the city and set up stone barricades. The parliament building is located in a high security area. Section 144 has been imposed at Ghazipur border and police have requested the protesters not to violate the laws or else strict action would be taken. An official said that no permission has been given for the women Mahapanchayat announced by the wrestlers. A police official said that adequate security personnel have been deployed near the Parliament building. Police have already issued a traffic advisory that the New Delhi district will be treated as a controlled area for the period and entry of vehicles will be restricted. Police have also requested the Municipal Corporation of Delhi or MCD to allow MC Primary Girls School in Kanjhawala Chowk, Old Bawana to be used as a temporary jail on Sunday, if needed, to maintain law and order. According to the traffic advisory, only public transport vehicles, civil service aspirants, bona fide residents, labelled vehicles and emergency vehicles will be allowed to move in the New Delhi area. Noting that many VVIPs and other dignitaries are likely to attend the inauguration ceremony, the Delhi Traffic Police urged people to plan their journey accordingly and avoid the New Delhi district from 5:30 am to 3 pm.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.